Let's show how to use this spindle vibration knife cutting machine system. This is the xingduowei system. Firstly, we need all accesses back to home. Now machine is going to machine original point. This machine have 4 axes, X, Y, Z, and the C is the vibration knife head. And please click the CCD button and find the camera F3. After you click the F3 button, it will show the camera vision. And when you click on the picture of the camera, the machine head will also moving. You can see engineer is collecting the camera picture show the head moving. When you need the camera to shoot the material is, you need to click this move to focus height. It is used for find the most sealed height for the camera to recognize the design pattern. Now it is find the sealed height. Now you can set 这个是吧 XYZ to be 0. XY to be 0 to find the precise original point. You will see there is a black point. It is a mark point. Each material which need to use the CCD camera. On the design pattern there is a black point. It is used for machine because the camera will recognize this black point. So the spindle and the vibration knife head also know where is the start point on the material. Once the CCD camera finds this point, it means the spindle and the vibration head is already know where is the start point. How let those two head to know the place? Because in the system there is already set the camera offset for X, camera offset for Y of the spindle, the same as the vibration knife camera offset. It is already set well. And then we are going to use this button for the spindle focus. When you set the Z axis height for the spindle, you need to move the spindle over the material and put the focus block on the material. Let the spindle head down to touch the material. Now we finished the spindle. We next is going to focus the vibration knife head. Continue focus the head. It is also use the block to autofocus.
可以用那个
Okay, it is focus. Please see at the knife touch the material the Z and Z C is 0. Let's the spindle touch the material. Let's to see the. Please see the spindle is just touch the material, and the spindle head its Z axis is also near to be 0. Please click the graph button and load in the design file. Open the image. Please load the image.
我的图是 TIFF 的格式哈。
It's TIFF form image.
然后这个过程中就比较慢一些。
Because TRF form picture is too large, its loading needs some more time. Its time is depend on your PC configuration. If your PC is high configuration, it can load in 1 minute. If your PC configuration is low, it will load in 3 or 4 minutes. This system could support Win 10 and Win 11 PC.
这种微小图形，我们就要给它去除，就把这个图就是重新导一下，先把它删掉，因为它里面有那个微小图形嘛。
If there is too small design pattern, you need delete it and reload it.
自动去除微小图形应该都打上勾了吧
Please， 这个从哪里出来的这个真的？Please click the parameter F2, and it will show this page. You need to choose automatic remove small graphs. After set that, then you can reload in the design file. Also, it is support PLT and DXF form design file. You can choose the PLT design file. If it load also have the small graphs, you can ignore it and just choose the age which you need to process, and ignore it is okay. Then we firstly click to choose the mark point.
然后点这个。
And press this right button.
然后再点一下这个。
And then click it.
好了。
It's okay.
1、2、3、4个。
Then it will show 1, 2, 3, 4, the four red points.
我们先用主轴去切割，就要给它设一个涡轮廓。
Now we are going to use the spindle to cut it, so we are going to set the outside edge. This is the diameter of the knife, half diameter. And you choose the one. Because we already set the diameter of the knife, so we are going to choose the two graph and change a different color of the layers of the design pattern. Any color is okay, but cannot choose the blue.
然后打开这个。
And then we after choose the color and open the layer F1.
这里面有一个选择振动刀还是主轴。
And there is a two optional. You can choose the spindle or the vibration.
T0 是没有刀。
T0 is without two.
T1 是主轴。
T1 is the spindle.
T2是振动刀。
T2 is the vibration head.
然后这边是那个设置的一些参数，你全都给它输成10就行。
And this advanced the following is the parameter. You can all of them to set with 10. 这个呢？
这些不用管。
And those two no need ignore it.
这个是否打孔，这个是。
And this is punch.
这个应该是垂直下刀或斜线下刀。
是的。
然后这个是个角度。
This is the angle. Those four is not important. You can ignore them. But those two need to set 10. 这两个得设10。Those three need set 10 value. And those five you can ignore them. After set, you can click to OK.
然后再点这个生成加载。
And create a file, create a design file. If it is the mark is not enough, it is mean you not choose all the mark. Sometimes the PC is too slow, it will influence. We suggest clients use a high configuration PC. Then we next to CCD.
然后点这个 CCD 开始，这里 F1
And click the F1 CCD start.
自动开真空帽。
Then the machine will automatically open the vacuum pump. The machine will automatically to read the marker point. Look, it is going to find the mark.
左手已经开始转了。
And now spindle is going to start. It will going to find the edge of the tool design pattern we choose and to cut it. It will cut according to the edge of the design graph. Because engineer is protect he want to protect the knife. He said the angle is 10. The knife is believed to cut into the material, and we said not to cut through to protect the knife. And click the program, and to click the unload the F2. It means to unload the first program.
然后再回到这个界面。
Then back to the graph.
选中刚才的这两个。
And click the original to design graph.
涂层改成白色。
And change the color of the layer.
然后再选中就是其他的两个嘛。
And then to click to another two.
改成另一个颜色的涂层。
And change another color.
然后选择刀具 T2。
And then to find the suit, find the T2. It is vibration head.
确定。
Click OK.
加载程序。
Create the file.
然后回
And
到
find
根
the
据
CCD and the original F8. Let the vibration head to back to the original, and the CCD to find the focus height button.
CCD 开始。
And then click the CCD start button. The vacuum pump will open automatic. It is going to cut and it is also same to find the mark. Firstly, please see it is find the mark. Now the vibration is already start work. When you don't need the CCD camera, you can click here to be not use CCD mark points. Then the machine system will know you no need the CCD camera. It will load the design file, NC file, and let the spindle to process it. It is similar to the machine CNC router working. Commonly, the CNC router machine system use. Please attention when you use the spindle to process the design pattern. Here is the automatic distance of the knife diameter. Here is to input the value of the knife diameter, half diameter. For example, if your knife is 3 millimeter, you can fill in 1.5. And this is if you automatically to if you use the spindle, you can here click the auto read. The lifting height is the spindle height upper height. This lift height and the vibration height to up the height, it is according to the material thickness to set. When you only need the spindle to process, you can directly to click the program button and the load the F1 button to load the NC design file. When you receive the machine, you can connect the PC with the machine. The parameter is in the machine mainboard, and you press in the password, and the machine the PC software will recognize the parameter in the machine automatically. You no need to hand fill in. It will automatically to fill in the parameter. The password is 1992. And it can import the parameter to save in the USB. This is our parameter. It's going to check the mainboard functions. And this configuration is for the machine system language. You can choose any language you need. It supports Spanish, English, Polish.